I'm a goddamn individual. Sense of self makes me indivisible. With a flow that's so irresistible. And I've been running this like an elliptical. Inadmissible in my physical. Habitual is inexplicable.
Hey guys, welcome back to Half Baked Hair Review. So today I'm going to be doing yet another Amazon unit, and this one is from sapphirewigs. The style just says kinky curly, black ombre, party wigs, ombre brown. The writing on the tab's a little messed up, so I don't know if this unit has a specific name, but it doesn't look like it. So it comes in this little plastic bag. Oh, it also comes with a wig cap. So, this is what she looks like in the back. I'm used to getting them in boxes, but let's see if this will make a difference. Yeah, the picture looked like it was more parting space, but so I'm already not sure how I feel about this one. So this is what it looks like straight out of the bag. I like the curl pattern, but the texture is feeling kind of rough. And it does have the dark roots. Yeah, it looks like they're dark. It's dark rooted throughout. I see a few snaggles of baby hairs. So this is what the front looks like. Looks like there's maybe about 3 inches of parting space. Not too shabby, but I thought it was more from the picture, so don't let that deceive you. 2 combs in the front. 1 comb in the back, and your adjustable straps. Let me cut the lace off this bad mama jamma, try it on, and see what we could do. So this is what Miss Ombre Curly or whatever is looking like, since she don't got a real name. I feel like I want to call her, what do you think? This is reminding me of Katron. Like if Katron had multiple parting space options. So I'm gonna call her Katrina. Well, actually, let me get into this unit real quick. So one of the things I do like about this unit is I'm not a fan of just no part, flip over method, and all that other bull. But with this, I feel like you can get away with it because the style itself, like they did a good job at sort of giving it these effortless curls. I love the curl pattern. It's kind of hard to define the middle part just because the way that the hair is. I mean, I see, you see that cross that's going on here. But just the way that the hair itself is, it's like a little bit stiff at the top, but that helps give it that like plump bam bam look, if you know what I'm saying. The texture is kind of strange to me because it's not soft. It's like somewhere between Yaki and who is this? You know what I mean? I don't know. I feel like it's a texture that I haven't really felt before. And it's not necessarily a bad thing, I guess. I'm just used to either Yaki or soft, that's it. You know what I mean? Or silky. But this is just like somewhere in the mix of all of them together. This is what all of it looks like to the front. It is a really good density. It's really full. It goes down to about my belly button. This is what it looks like to the side. To the other side. And everything to the back. I don't really see it lasting super long because it does feel a little bit cheaper. Like the hair doesn't feel plastic or anything like that, but just the texture mixed with this curl pattern doesn't seem like it's going to be lasting super long, so keep that in mind. The baby hairs, I cut them myself. It didn't really come with any. I seen a couple long ones, but they were kind of hard to find, so I ended up having to just take some out and cut them. Yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say about this unit. It was pretty simple, pretty easy. Another throw on and go, but like I said, I feel like it's more along the lines of a special occasion unit. I hope you liked this video. Just give me a like, subscribe, comment down below, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.